I'm here with Adrice at Flynn here in Salt Lake City, Utah. Just finished up the installation of a 13-foot, 245-ton, 5-axis press brake. Adrice, what do you think about the installation process, learning the machine, overall thoughts?
I thought it was super cool. As soon as you got here to install it, it was super fast. Got right to the point. Then he showed us the training. Training was fun, super cool. I haven't done sheet metal for a while. Learning this is pretty fun.
Pretty fun. The learning how to draw on the control, overall, was it pretty easy? Did it take a day, 2 days, half a day? What do you think?
It took about hour and a half. It was super cool watching how you could draw lines on it. It'll show you what way to bend it, what way to flip it, if they want the metal inside the machine or not. Super cool. Threw up a lot of troubleshooting codes to help you going through the process to make sure it's perfect.
Awesome, awesome. You guys are bending window pans. I believe you had to split it between 2 different machines before, a folder and a brake.
Yeah.
It took about 10 to 15 minutes per part, is that right?
Yeah, a little bit more maybe.
Now we're at about 3.5 with the program, back gauge, everything like that.
Perfect.
Cool.
It's literally 3 seconds.
Awesome, speeding things up. We appreciate it. Hopefully everything went well, and
Thank you.
Appreciate it.
Thank you guys.